Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Nick's tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to create a team in Microsoft Teams. So let's open Microsoft Teams, and as you can see this is the main page. For other people the activity page may be the main page, but as you can see here, but we don't want any of these. We don't want even the calendar, we just want the teams. So I want to click on the teams. As you can see, here are the public teams that are available, but we don't also want to join a team. We want to create our own team. So as you can see here, there's create team block. Click on the button, this add name to the team. If you want it to be description, it's privacy here. Choose if you want it to be public or private, and then click next. Now your team is being created. And now you can also add members here. I want to skip now. That's it. Now you have your own team. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.